On this video I will explain how we can calculate the actual product cost of a wardrobe, plus what is the profit when a contractor can get if he is using some specific brand materials. So this is actually a wardrobe we have designed for a customer, and which is going to be on live by next month. The site is getting ready, so I'm utilizing this opportunity to make some videos and upload in YouTube, so that people, everyone including customers, contractors or interior designer, can understand what would be the cost of a product, and they can plan their costing accordingly. So basically, on this wardrobe, this is the 3D view of the wardrobe, and this is the 2D view with the partitions what we have agreed with the client. So on the exterior 3D view exterior, you can see that this from the wardrobe area, customer has selected a particular laminate which is from Merino brand 22099. SF symbol finish is the laminate code. One for the loft, they have selected 21091 normal frosty white symbol finish laminate. There is no specific high glossy or any other material they have selected. They are very particular with the brand, and accordingly they have done the selection. And this is a very basic Indian partition drawing, and the customer wanted in similar way, so we have agreed to that. If we need to add more shelves, there would be a more there would be another model of internal partition. Anyhow, for this particular requirement, this is the internal drawing. So how we can do the material calculation? For that, actually we are using an Excel sheet. We are having an Excel sheet on which we are having a cost calculation sheet. So where we need to give the inputs as per the particular design. So how we will do the calculation, how many ply we need, how many laminate we need, and other hardwares like how many hinges, channels, everything we will have to define very clearly. So what we will do, we will go to the design, we will go to the partition drawing. As I told you, this left vertical and the right vertical are exposed to panels which is having slate gray laminate, and the inside this top, bottom and internal vertical drawers, whatever is there, all are made with, all are need to be made with white, off-white laminate. If you are preferring some other color, the laminate cost will change accordingly, and obviously this internal color also would be. So I will just explain how we can calculate the number of plywood. So what we will do is, this top and bottom pieces we can extract from one plywood. There will be little bit wastage available, that we will be using it for a drawer purpose. So one ply for this internal middle vertical and the this fixed shelf and this fixed shelf, we need one ply, so total 2 ply. Again for these 2 shelves we need half ply, so 2.5 ply, and the remaining half ply will be utilized for the drawers. So now 3 plywood, 18 mm plywood we needed for this internal structure, and we need 1 plywood with BSL off-white color for making this dresser storage, plus 1 ply for making this. So 3 plus 2, 5 off-white ply we will get all the structure material. So once we get that, we will have to update. This is actually the sheet for the factory pressing sheet. This will be given to factory. Accordingly those guys will perform the pressing on the laminate on plywood. So 18 mm ply, BSL internal weight, we need 5 sheet, 5 sheet, and obviously then white laminate. Since we are doing BSL means both side lamination, both the side, since you are making the white laminate pressing, you need 10 sheet over there. Now the color laminate. So this left vertical and right vertical you can extract from 1 sheet, plus this cutting as well. So 1 ply, then this exposed filler, all those things you need another ply, 2 ply. Then this these two shutters, 2 ply, so you need 4 ply for the same. In that inside color door plywood, one side it will be OSL means one side lamination, internal color will be white, so 4 sheet we need. The external color will be slate gray, that 4 sheet you need. Now the loft shutters, one plywood, since the height is more than 600 mm, 2 feet, one ply we are getting in 8 feet height, 4 feet width. This is more than 2 feet. We will be able to extract 6 pieces from one ply. So 1 2 3 4 5 and left side exposed panel, 6 pieces we will get. So we need one plywood for the same. So one plywood, in for that internal white one, external white one. Now 6 mm, how many 6 mm we required? 1 2 2.5 plus balance half sheet for making the drawers. There will be a 2 chota piece deficiency will be there, but we can arrange from the factory locally. So we need 3 plywood pieces. Since it's a BSL internal white, BSL internal white, we need 6 sheet. So now total how many 18 mm ply we required? We need 10 ply. Go to calculation sheet, update quantity 10. So once you update 10, I have entered the cost of the material. See, 60 rupees is the square feet rate for the plywood, and one plywood is 32 square feet, 8 feet height, 4 feet width. So it would be 32 square feet. 32 into 60, it is coming 1920 rupees you will have to pay for one plywood into 10. So the cost will be 19,200 rupees. Now 6 mm you need 3 sheet. 6 mm 3 sheet means here you can see 40 rupees per square feet we have calculated. It is coming 3840. This 60 rupees and 32 rupees you will be getting Pioneer brand. It is not Century or Green Ply. Century or Green Ply means it will be around 80 rupees and 50 rupees accordingly. That I will be able to explain you later stage. And this is a medium quality. If you want to go cheap qualities, you update here that 40 rupees is the basic rate and 25 rupees is the basic rate, which is the cheap quality. There are more cheaper plywoods that anyway I never seen that, and I don't want to see that as well. Off-white laminate 400 sheet. So how will calculate off-white laminate? Internal white. Select here, you will get 21 sheet. Go here, update here, 21 sheet. 400 rupees, very good of internal white laminate with the 0.1 mm thickness is available in the market. You will get it, and it is available with even 300 rupees. We don't consider that. We need a Merino slate gray laminate 4:1. So Merino SF simple finish laminate will cost, it's bit expensive. Laminate, basically exterior laminate, if you go, there are brands which start from even 600 rupees. But this for this particular project, customer wanted this premium brand, so we are going with that. Now Hetish telescopic channel. So we have the telescopic channels are required for drawers. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 drawers. So we need 6 channels. The cost is updated here, and this is the cost comes. Normal close hinges. One door longer shutters you need 2 set hinges, means 4 hinges. So 2 set, 4 set, 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 set 0 crank hinges you need, 8 crank hinges you need, 1 2 4 5 6. 6. It is updated here, accordingly cost is updated. Minifix is the hardware we are using to install this factory finished modular product. That is, we have considered a premium Heritage brand one. Obviously it is bit expensive, so we are getting, this is the cost. Wooden dowels is another hardware which we are using to interconnect the parts, so that hardware also included over here. Hanger bar adjustable shed buttons which can be used to install the adjustable shelves on this particular design. These shelves I have considered as adjustable shelves, and each shelf need 4 buttons to keep that, so we have considered 12 button. Hanger bracket is nothing but this oval pipe hanger brackets, we need 2 set. It is updated here. Hanger pipe, so running feet 60 rupees. This is from Tata Steel only. So we need 6 meter, 6 feet, 6 into 60, 360 you will be getting it. Drawer lock, internal 4 drawers, lock 150 rupees, Heritage maker. Wardrobe lock 2 into 400, this is Europa brand, very premium. Even all these hardwares you will get half rate also, but we are not considering such a brands over here. Tower bolt 2 set 100 rupees, we are getting 200 rupees, and screws, wooden cut, tile clamp, whatever other small hardwares, no, we have considered a lump sum amount of 1000 rupees. It's more than enough. And PVC edge banding, this is for factory purpose, and the required meters we have calculated. This data I have updated based on my experience, so it will be almost correct. Any small more is required in the sense means I will adjust from our consulting charge. We don't go and ask customer for any extra money. Handles, we needed 12 handles total. Basically if you come here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 handles required. I considered each per handle cost 150 rupees. On the real scenario, lofts and all, you will be going for small handles, and here big handles. So overall it will be adjusted over here. If you want to go for very premium handles and all, definitely the cost will change or reflect here. And the manufacturing cost of factory, so there are some standard rates which we follow with the factories, which are using German machineries, and per plywood they used to charge 1200 rupees, and this charge includes the Fevicol as well. We no need to give them any Fevicol, so they will be accommodating that Fevicol cost within this money. So 13 ply for processing it, 15,600 rupees you will have to pay them. Installation charges, carpenter, total 86 square feet is there. How we will calculate the square feet means, our wardrobe with the total width is, you can see here, 2160 plus 540 plus 70 mm filler. So 2770 is our total wardrobe width, into total height is 2100 plus 700, so 2800 is the height. So here this is these all are in mm measurements. So once you divide that value with 90,000, you will be getting the square feet of this complete area. So it is a total 86 square feet. So we have updated here. This is the installation charges for the carpenter. So even 85 rupees carpenters will come. There you cannot assure the optimum quality of installation. 110 rupees is the good quality carpenters used to charge 110 rupees. This would be the installation cost for this particular product. Drawer additional cost, it is not relevant here, because that actually company people, if you are using this genuine quality material, your profit margin would be very small. Such a scenarios, companies used to charge per drawer 4000 rupees extra, some additional cost for that purpose only. Anyhow, we are not concerned. Mirror and silicone paste for installation, lump sum is 2500, and transport and shifting charges 3000 rupees. See, we are actually considering one wardrobe transportation cost and all. If you are going for full house, for overall project it may be 6000 to 7000 only, but if you are buying one single product, and if you are making interiors for full house, definitely the cost will come down. So this is so total, if you are using this kind of quality materials, the total actual cost would be 80,000. And the design and project management charges, this is our charges. And if some customer approach us to get the wardrobe done through consultation, we used to charge this amount for design and project management. And you need to keep in mind that this 15% is actual cost plus 15%, so it is not so high. But whenever the project is value is huge, that time definitely it will be very affordable. So grand total, this is the amount if you are approaching through us. Now we will see how the companies charge. Example, if one contract is charging you square feet rate 1250, the total cost he would be charging 96,500 for this particular wardrobe. 96,500 if he charge, the actual cost is 83, he will be getting a profit of 16,101. This profit margin is not so good for a contractor after putting all this effort. So what they usually does is, when to save the cost, instead of 60 rupees ply, they will be using, this is what I know what companies does, they will be using 40 rupees ply, and here also they will be using 25. These are square feet rate. And internal laminate they will go for 300. This merino and all, they can't save any money if they are using hetich and all, no way. But this hardware and all, if they change margin, on this particular area only, they will be able to save so much money. And this if they are having own factory, they can save 10,000 rupees here. Installation charges, if they are giving to any local installation team, they can pay for 85 rupees. And other things I don't know. Basically these things I know people has to play around. So such scenario they can get a profit up to 30,000 rupees, which is not bad. Almost more than 30% they are getting it. Yes, definitely there will be some other incidental expense occurred. They need to pay the shop rent and all, but this is how they do that.